Hey everyone, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to paint every stage and every angle of the ranunculus flower. This video is quite long, so I divided the flowers into chapters, so feel free to skip around. These flowers are fully open. Always start with the green center, and then as you work your way out, add more of the color that you want the petals to be. These are probably the easiest because you simply paint C-curves and circles until you feel the flower is complete. As you can see, this first flower is painted more at an angle. And this flower is painted directly from a side view perspective. The flower I'm painting now is a Persian buttercup ranunculus, which is my absolute favorite to paint. I love how full it looks from the side. You can see all the petals on the bottom. Simply paint the top petals at a side view. Then paint a set of larger bottom petals or C curves on both sides to finish the flower. Small blooms are full, but they haven't fully opened yet, so all of the petals are tightly packed on top of the flower. The easiest way to paint these is to start with the top petals first. Then paint some big petals on the bottom. Make sure that the top petals are in line with the bottom ones. This second flower is similar to the first one, but it's very short and much more round and full. Flowerets are very small flowers. They have lots of new petals tightly wound around the center. This first one I'm painting is more at an angle. This one is front view, and by the way, I apologize, my camera kept going out of focus. This last one is the smallest. It probably should have been all green with maybe the bottom petals in color. Buds are brand new. They're mostly green, but feel free to add some colored petals on the edges. This next one is the smallest, and it's completely closed, no openings whatsoever. This next one is just opening at the top with maybe 1 or 2 petals showing. And this last one has even more petals showing, and it's even a little bit more open than the previous one. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more creative watercolor inspiration, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on bi-weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and projects. And if you're interested in DIY bath and body projects, you should definitely check out this channel.